in City of Fairfax. We're at the tap right now, pulling back. Go ahead. 99 feet from the bottom of the clean out. We're currently in cast iron facing concrete. Bottom of pipe is on the left hand side of the screen. Top of pipe is on the right hand side of the screen. Still in cast iron. This cast iron could really use a D-scale. Still in cast iron. About to transition to PVC. There we are, slowly. PVC. Now we are in IPS, HDPE 17, 4-inch diameter. Keep on going. Good work. Here we have a clean out, which was installed on the house side of the sidewalk. I'll show you that in a minute. Still in HDPE 17 now. We are in Schedule 40 PVC transition. God, that got me again. It's not. There it is. Schedule 40 PVC. 90. And as we come up, we will be coming up the clean out. Keep on going. He's about to pull up the clean out, and there he is, pulling up right now. Start pulling back, please. There you go. Whoops. All right, this is the Park Hill Place camera inspection from clean out at the house. This was the top excavation site. Now backfilled, driveway gravelled, waiting for settlement of soil before actually doing repair. Second clean out, which you saw in the video. House side of sidewalk for future services of the cast iron pipe going under the road. We excavated on both sides of the sidewalk in order not to interrupt the sidewalk whatsoever. Sidewalk has not been damaged. This was excavated, backfill, seeded, and strawed. Water meter was exposed, which originally was under grass, difficult to find. And cameras connected this cast iron, which strongly recommend to have it descaled. And if any additional defects are found, a liner might be recommended. That's what we got.